In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a Discord account. Whether you're looking to join communities of your favorite games, meet new people with similar interests, or create a space for your friends to hang out, setting up a Discord account is your first step into a larger world of digital socializing. Let's walk you through the process, step by step, to make this journey as smooth as possible. First, you want to start by opening your favorite web browser. Once you've done that, navigate to Discord's official website. Discord is known for its user-friendly interface and community-focused features, making it a go-to platform for gamers and non-gamers alike. The homepage itself is packed with vibrant visuals and information on what Discord has to offer. But what we're here for today is to create an account. On the Discord homepage, you'll find a button labeled Register. This is your gateway to joining Discord's expansive network. Clicking on it will redirect you to a registration page. Here you're required to enter some basic details: an email address, a unique username, a password, and your date of birth. It's important to choose a username that reflects your personality or interests, as this is how you'll be identified across Discord servers. The date of birth field is there to ensure that the experience is tailored and appropriate for your age group. Once you've filled in all the necessary information, the next step is to click on Continue. This button is your declaration that you're ready to step into the world of Discord, with all the details you've provided shaping your initial experience. Now, Discord places a high value on the security and authenticity of its community. To uphold this, you'll be prompted to verify your account. This is a critical step to ensure that your entry into Discord is safe and secure. Verification usually involves a captcha or a confirmation email sent to the address you've registered with. This process helps in keeping bots and unwanted actors out of the platform, ensuring a smoother and more secure experience for everyone involved. After completing the verification process, it's time to dive into the Discord experience truly. Click on the option to go to Discord's home. This is where your adventure begins. Discord's home screen is your dashboard to the digital world. From here you can join servers, connect with friends, or even start your own server. The interface is designed to be intuitive, with various functionalities only a click away. But before you get lost in the multitude of features and communities, it's worth taking a moment to explore the user settings. Here you can customize your experience, manage privacy settings, and set up your profile. Making your Discord account truly yours is all about exploring and adjusting these settings to your liking. Creating a Discord account opens up a world of opportunities for social interaction, gaming, and even professional networking. The platform is vast, with countless communities to join and explore. Whether you're there to find folks who share your niche hobbies, or looking for a place to host your community, Discord's got you covered. Remember, your journey on Discord is what you make of it. Be respectful of the communities you join, engage positively, and don't be afraid to put yourself out there. With each server being its own unique ecosystem, you're bound to find a place where you fit right in. And there you have it, a simple step-by-step guide to creating your very own Discord account. We've covered everything from navigating to the website, registering an account, verifying it, and finally stepping into the home of Discord itself. From here on, the possibilities are endless. You can explore, interact, and expand your digital footprint in a space that's designed for connection. Thank you for following along with this guide, whether you're here to game, create, or connect. We hope this video has been a helpful starting point on your Discord journey. Remember, the world of Discord is constantly evolving, with updates and new features being added regularly. So dive in, stay curious, and happy exploring.